first deal we focus on today is the Chef Boyardee. We don't really get coupons for this much, so this is a pretty great deal. The Chef Boyardee is 10 for 10. You can even get like the little plastic ones if you like those instead. My kids love these for a little summertime lunch. So they're 10 for 10. There is a coupon on the Kroger app for $1 off 5, which makes these $4. All right, there's no coupons on this, but this is just a really hot deal. The Heinz tomato ketchup, the big bottle is the 38 ounce. It's only $2.99, and every time I see this on sale, I'll pick it up because we use a lot of ketchup in my house. So $2.99 was $3.29. All right, really awesome deal on the Kraft barbecue sauce. No coupons needed. Everything is on the app. This is part of the 5 times digital. So we're gonna pick up 5 bottles of these at 49 cents each. The original price for 5 of them is $7.45, but that $1 off coupons will come off 5 times, making these just $2.45 for all 5 of them. All right, it's like Kroger is planning our supper. So we've got the ronzoni pasta and we have the ragu pasta sauce below it. These are both just a one-time digital. Oh, it says up to, wait. It does say up to 5 times in one transaction. Okay, I thought it was a one-time. So this can be done 5 times in one transaction if you want. And this as well as 5 times in one transaction as well. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Awesome deal. Okay, so you can pick up 5 of those at $1.79. There's gonna be a 50-cent coupon coming off on the ragu, and then you can pick these up. They're 99 cents, and a 30-cent coupon is coming off on the ronzoni, and you can do it 5 times apparently. All right, great deal on the hamburger helper. These are $1.67 each. There's a 50-cent coupon. You can do this 5 times, making these just $1.17 per hamburger helper. All right, shout out to Nick from Ohio Valley Couponer. He was talking about this deal earlier today in his video. So this Nature's Valley is part of the 5 times deal. If you don't see the coupon when you scan it in the Kroger app, just click below show more coupons, because there's more coupons in the list, so you won't see it at first. So this Nature Valley, we're going to pick up 5 boxes of these. They're $2.49 each. That's going to bring it to $12.45. What's going to happen is that when we buy 5 boxes, that digital of $1 is going to come off 5 times. And we're also going to use 2 of these 50-cent coupons. And Nick said to try it, so I'm going to do it. I think it worked, so that'll be $1 back. Now, with the digital and then the paper coupons there, that's $6. That's going to make the total $6.45. And then what's going to happen at the register is you're going to get a $3 Catalina back after you buy those boxes of the Nature Valley. And I believe we can do this as well in Chex Mix. Just make sure you do 2 different transactions for these. So it'll be $6.45 and you'll get back a $3 Catalina. So making these just $3.45 if you kind of configure that with your prices. All right, just like that, the Nature Valley granola bars, I'm picking up the Chex Mix. They are part of the digital 5 times deal. And so what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 5 bags at $1.99. Before coupons, that's $9.95. I'm also going to use that $1 back on the digital, the 5 times event. That's going to come off when I do that. Then, so I'll do the $1 back for all 5 bags. So that's $5 in digital coupons. Then I'm going to use one of these $2 off coupons on 5 participating items. I can also use this on my Nature Valley. I didn't realize that till just now, so I'm going to use this on my Nature Valley as well. So I'm going to change my numbers a little bit on the Nature Valley. So $2 back as well, so that's $7 in coupons. Before coupons, everything's going to be after coupons, everything's going to be $2.95. And then you'll get a $3 Catalina that will come back. So making this a 5-cent money maker when you buy all 5 bags. Last thing, make sure you do the Nature Valley and the Chex Mix in separate transactions so you get both of those Catalinas. Alrighty, you know I love to get my either Pringles when they have these on sale or the Goldfish. So this is part of the digital coupon 5 times deal. So make sure you click that. So these are going to be $1.49. I'm picking up 5 containers of these, taking that 50-cent off, making these just 99 cents each. My favorite price to pay for Pringles. All right, hoping everything works smoothly with this deal. So the Palmolive detergent, this is on our 5 times digital event. They are on sale for $2.29 and there is $1 coming back off of that digital event, so making these $1.29. We also have these 50-cent coupons that we'll see if they work or not. Making these just 79 cents each, and be careful because you know paper coupons, you can only use 3 in one transaction at Kroger. So hopefully these are just 79 cents. If not, they'll just be $1.29 each, and that's still a great deal. If you watch my CVS videos, you know that I like to get the Tide Simply Pods to put into blessing bags and to donate to the food bank. And so these are they're $3.69. They're on sale for $2.99. There is the 5 times digital, making these just $1.99. And then I also have these $1 off coupons, bringing this total down to 99 cents. Remember, Kroger only takes 3 of these in the same transaction, so do not get 5, just get 3 if you're going to be using these coupons as well. So hopefully these will be 99 cents. Thank you to Nick from Ohio Valley Couponer for also letting us know about this deal. I saw this in a couple videos last week, but I didn't pick these up. I didn't go in the store. So these Bic Crystal Extra Smooth pens, they're 10 for 10. There is a digital coupon for $1 when you buy 2. So you're going to pick up 2 of these for $2. And then you're going to use that $1 off coupon for both of those, making these just 50 cents each. All right, great deal on these Extreme 3 Chic razors. They are originally $6.99. They're on the 8+ deal for $5.99. We have these $3 off coupons, and I believe they have these as printables as well, so you can also print these off. All right, so it's going to bring this down to $2.99, and then we're going to submit $2 back on Ibotta. So we'll be getting $2 back on Ibotta, making these just 99 cents, and you can actually do this twice on Ibotta. So I'm going to be picking up 2 packs of these razors today, 99 cents each. Great deal. All right, guys, so this is everything I'm getting today. I get asked so often, like, I need to coupon food, and I can't coupon food. I'm not good at it. Guys, I'm couponing food. It may not just look like what you think it will look like for couponing food, but I'm couponing food. Like, I am ready for some I can have hamburger helper for dinner, right? Just get some hamburger meat. I can have spaghetti for dinner. I've got the pasta, I got the sauce, just get some meat for that. You know, I've got the barbecue sauce for grilled chicken. You know, I've got snacks over here. I've got lunches for the kids with this Chef Boyardee. I've got, you know, on-the-go breakfast for the Nature Valley. I've got more snacks for the kids right there, ketchup. I even got some cleaning products, school supplies, and some razors. So everything in my cart. Let me show you my breakdown. So this printable breakdown is available in the description box. Everything here is going to be $97.36. I'm going to pay after rebates, coupons, digital, everything $43.27, and I'm also getting back $6 in Catalina's. So it's going to be less than $30. Sorry, $37 for everything in my cart. So $37 for all this in my cart is pretty amazing. Hey praisers and savers, we are showing our Walmart video today. We're going to be getting our mid-marker week haul. That's $5 back on 15 items. But before I get started, I wanted you guys to know about a challenge I am doing with one of my fellow YouTubers. Her name is Saving with Christina. I'm going to put her up here on the screen so you can look at her. I also have her link in the description box below. Saving with Christina is probably one of my favorite YouTubers that does a lot of, she does couponing, but she does a lot of Ibotta, swag bucks, Shopkicks, fetch rewards, checkout 51, all of those cool rebate offers. When I started back hardcore couponing this year, because I've been couponing for 12 years, when I started back hardcore this year, I adopted a lot of the rebate apps, and the way I did it was I watched her videos to learn how to do it. So she really is so helpful. She does videos on Walmart, Walgreens, and CVS, I believe. And so go check out her channel, show her some love, hit that smash that subscribe button for her, the notification bell, like her videos, and please share her because she's just great. So Saving with Christina. So the challenge is going to be who can get the lowest out of pocket on each item at Walmart, and whoever is the loser is going to have to do the hungry hippo challenge. And I will, if I lose, which I probably will because she is amazing, I'll be doing this with the Nerds gummy clusters. And so what we'll do is my kids and I will pretend like we're hungry hippos. We'll put our hands behind our back and we'll put a bunch of Nerds gummy clusters on the table, put them in our mouth, and put them in a cup. So hopefully I don't lose. Hopefully I win and I get the lowest out of pocket, but she is so amazing. She's probably going to beat me. So You will see me do this challenge if I lose on my next Walmart video. So, all right, guys. So, let's get started on this Walmart haul.